Hey, what's going on there, YouTube? This is your host, VLE, coming back with you with another video. And today I have a better camera. As you can clearly see, I have a real camera instead of just using my phone, so better quality and a little bit better all the way around. Thank you, and let's start the video. And then today for you, I have a different thing. It's basically like my old video is like a pop socket, but it's an actual real pop socket. Basically, with the pop socket, it basically goes on the back magnetic like that, like with my old one. But the quality itself isn't as good as the PopSocket Plus with MagSafe. And even with the old one, the quality is pretty nice. It's pretty nice and snug. It will stick on pretty well. And I just want to try something a little bit different than just this generic one I got off Amazon for about 20 bucks. And this one itself, I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a good one. I can't really find that on Amazon, but I have the ultimate pop socket for you. It's magnetic. The top can come off. You can replace it with any other pop socket, and it's an official pop socket brand itself. On the side, it contains magnets, blah, blah, blah. Other side, it's just your general text. And when you get to the front of it and the bottom, there's really nothing. But this is basically what it looks like when inside the box. It's removable, it's magnetic, and it's official pop socket versus the other one, which is just kind of like a generic off-brand itself. And on the back, it showcases what you can and can't do. And let's open it up. Inside of it, you have the general pop socket pop out. You can replace the head itself. It's a hard, kind of like a gloss plastic. I mean, I kind of like the feel compared to my other one, which was more of a rubber texture feeling. This one's a little bit more snug. In general, it's a little bit bigger. It's longer, but it's not as thick as you can compare to the other one. Because in the other one, it was thicker because of the magnets itself with the plate. This one's thinner, but it's also longer, which I like. I'm more of a fan of. Sorry about the camera shake, but here's just a brief comparison between the two of them. But I'm more a fan of the PopSocket Plus. You can pick it up at Target or off their website itself. I believe other retailers are looking to pick it up and sell it. But for right now, you can only pick it up at Target. But I just like the feel. It's about the same dimensions as the original one, but as you can see from the video, it's a little more, the first one's more of a gloss and the other one's a little bit more frosted. And I'm just kind of more of a fan of the new one compared to the other one I owned previously. And you can see a little bit of wear and tear on my old one, but after I put the new one on, you can see it doesn't really fall off, it doesn't really shake. It's pretty snug fit with MagSafe itself, and it kind of blends into my case itself. I like the longer grip at the base of it, and it even also being a little bit thinned out, it doesn't really shake off. I have to actually move it to adjust it for it to actually come off itself, and I actually like that with the longer clip at the end, because it's easier to take off too, because I can just slide it and then just pull it right there, because I have a little bit of a hook right there. And as you can see, when I flip it over, I just kind of just pull it off, and it's a lot easier compared to my other one. And you can pick it up at Target for under $30, which I think is a major thing for the newer iPhone series. And it's easy, you just snap it onto place, and it will not fall off like most MagSafe official or unofficial products. It doesn't come off. Turn it to the side and pull it on and off. I'm a real fan of that. And I mean, just pull it to the side and tear it off, pull it on, clip it back on, slide it, and it's pretty nice and snug. This is a product I actually like. I actually use every day, and it makes holding my massive phone a little bit easier. I recommend the PopSocket brand compared to an off-brand product on Amazon, because you're getting slightly better quality, and you can actually replace the heads of these unlike the generic knockoffs. So it's good. It's not the worst, but I'd rather go with PopSocket. That's my opinion. I'm your host, VLD, signing out. Subscribe to my channel for new and better quality content coming out in the near future. Thank you. Signing out.